How does bankruptcy affect cosigners of my debts? Bankruptcy can have an impact on cosigners depending on the type of bankruptcy you file and the nature of the debt. A cosigner is someone who agrees to be legally responsible for a loan if you cannot pay. When you file for bankruptcy, your legal obligation to repay certain debts may be discharged, but that protection does not automatically extend to your cosigners. In other words, even if your responsibility for the debt is wiped out, the creditor can still pursue the cosigner for the full amount owed. In Chapter 7 bankruptcy, your personal liability for most debts is eliminated upon discharge. However, this discharge applies to you. It does not release your cosigner from legal duty to pay. If you want to protect a cosigner in Chapter 7, you might choose to continue paying that specific debt even though you're no longer legally required to, just to prevent the harm to them. In Chapter 13 bankruptcy, there's a special provision called the co-debtor stay that offers more protection. While you are in an active repayment plan, creditors are generally barred from collecting from your cosigner on consumer debts, like personal loans or credit cards, as long as you continue to make payments under your plan. However, this protection ends in your case is dismissed or completed without full repayment. In some cases, if your creditor obtains court permission, or if the debt isn't fully repaid through the plan, they may still try to collect from the cosigner. If you're considering bankruptcy and you have cosigned debts, it's wise to communicate with your cosigners ahead of time and consult with a bankruptcy attorney. In some cases, restructuring the loan, reaffirming the debt, or including extra payments in a Chapter 13 plan can help protect the cosigner's credit and financial standing. Bankruptcy can offer you a fresh start, but it's crucial to think through how it might affect others who legally committed to your financial obligations. Hi, my name is attorney Sacca with Bononi Company. If you have any questions regarding the topics covered in this video or any other legal questions, please don't hesitate to give us a call at 724-832-2499.